Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Math Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. So today I'll be going through question 18. So it reads as follows. Here is a trapezium ABCD. The area of the trapezium is 66 centimeters squared. The length of AB to the length of CD is 2 to 3. Find the length of AB. Now first of all, for the area, we need the perpendicular height. So I can draw a right angle triangle and label this H. And also because it's 2 to 3, I can call this 2x and 3x, and x is the ratio. So first of all, I need to work out H, and I can do that using the sine rule. So sine x equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. So 6 is the hypotenuse, this is x, and then the opposite is H, so I can rearrange for the opposite, which is the hypotenuse times by the sine of the angle. So that H would equal 6 times by sine 30, and sine 30 is one of your exact trig values, so that would be a half. So 6 times by a half equals 3, so the height is 3. So the area of the trapezium is 0.5 or half A plus B, A and B being two parallel sides, times by the perpendicular height H. So I can substitute back in. So I know the area is 66, which equals 0.5, 2x plus 3x times by 3. So I can do 0.5 times by 3, which gives me 1.5, and 2x plus 3x equals 5x. So I can multiply 1.5 times by 5x, which gives me 66 equals 77.5x. X equals 8.8, but it asks me for the length of AB, so AB is 2x. So 2 times that is 17.6. That's the answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more.